Welcome to our exploration of Plymouth's hidden railways. Today we're going to delve into the histories of the Cattedown Branch Line and the London and South Western Railway Laira to Plymouth and Turnchapel lines. These railways, though now largely forgotten, played vital roles in Plymouth's industrial development. The Cattedown Branch Line opened in 1896, whilst the London and South Western Railway line from Laira to Turnchapel commenced operations in 1897. Both integral in connecting Plymouth's industrial areas to the national rail network. The routes of these lines were meticulously planned to link industrial sites with the docks and the mainline rail network. The Cattedown branch included several sidings and spurs strategically placed to maximise efficiency. The LSWR's line's route from Laira to Turnchapel traversed challenging terrain, including the Laira Bridge, a crucial crossing over the River Plym. The Cattedown Branch Line's path ran close to the waterfront, allowing easy access to ships docked at Cattedown Wharf. Meanwhile, the LSWR's line's route included significant engineering feats, such as embankments and cuttings, but also a swing bridge at Turnchapel itself, to maintain a level grade suitable for freight operations. These engineering marvels were testament to the ingenuity and determination of the railway pioneers of the era. The construction of these lines was driven by Plymouth's growing industrial base. The Cattedown Branch Line, built by the Great Western Railway, primarily served the docks and various industrial facilities, whilst the London and South Western Railway line from Laira to Turnchapel was constructed to connect local quarries and the communities of Plymouth and Turnchapel. These lines were built with robust infrastructure to handle heavy freight traffic, including significant structures like the Laira Bridge. The GWR's Cattedown Branch Line featured extensive sidings at Cattedown Wharf, allowing easy transfer of goods between ships and trains. The London and South Western Railway line included the noteworthy Laira Bridge, which enabled trains to cross the River Plym, and intricate track layouts serving the quarries. These infrastructure elements were designed to support the heavy industrial demands of the late 19th and early 20th century. During their peak years, these lines were bustling with activity. The Cattedown Branch Line facilitated the transport of coal, china clay and fuel oil, amongst others, to and from the docks. The London and South Western Railway line was equally vital, serving local quarries that supplied stone for construction projects throughout the region. The terminus at Cattedown Wharf and the network at Turnchapel Wharf were hubs of industrial activity. These lines were not just freight routes, they were lifelines for Plymouth's economy. Seamless transfer of goods from rail to ship at Cattedown Wharf enabled an efficient export operations. The London South Western Railway line's service to quarries and local businesses meant that raw materials flowed steadily, fueling construction and other industries. The significance of these lines extended beyond mere transport. They were arteries of economic vitality. Post-war changes brought significant declines to these lines. The rise of road transport and the decline of local industries led to reduced rail traffic. The Cattedown branch saw a significant drop in usage by the 1960s, with the closure of Friary Station in 1958 marking the beginning of the end. The LSWR line to Turnchapel faced a similar fate, ceasing passenger services in 1951 and freight operations shortly after. By the 1990s, both lines were largely abandoned, with nature reclaiming the tracks. The decline mirrored the broader industrial downturn in Plymouth as the city transitioned away from industry and towards new economic models. These once vital lifelines became silent corridors, overgrown and forgotten by many. Final nail in the coffin came in 1961, when the last train ran to Turnchapel. This poignant moment marked the end of an era, captured here in this rare footage. The final journey was a sombre affair, with locals and railway enthusiasts gathering to bid farewell to a line that had served them for decades. Today, remnants of these lines stand as reminders of Plymouth's rich industrial past. National Rail has plans to remove the remaining trackbed of the Cattedown Branch Line, including the bridge on Embankment Road, for road safety and flood protection works. This reflects the broader trend of repurposing redundant infrastructure to meet modern needs. Despite this, some local heritage groups advocate for preserving these remnants, emphasising their historical significance. The route of the London and South Western Railway has been repurposed in parts, with some sections converted into mixed-use cycle paths and green spaces, blending history with modern use, and plans continue to extend this all the way to Yelton. These efforts aim to honour the past while adapting to the present, ensuring that the legacy of these railways endures. The stories of these two lines are crucial chapters in Plymouth's industrial narrative. They symbolise the transformative power of railways in shaping our cities. As we look to the future, it's essential to honour the past, preserving these historical footprints for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Plymouth's hidden railways, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe.